Hey guys, it's Matt at Fastmetrics bringing you a video on the metric phone web interface. This video will cover how to set up a business hours schedule so that you can route calls to an after hours voicemail or another number such as a paging service. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and log into the web interface and click on time frames. We're going to add two time frames. The first one will be our business hours time frame, which we'll use the banker's hours 9 to 5. So we just check Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, set our morning time, and our closing time. And click Save. We're going to add one more time frame, and we'll call this After Hours. And we're going to have this set as always, which we'll show in a minute why we're going to do that. So now we have our two time frames. If we hover over the days and times here, we'll see the times we selected. And now let's make some answering rules. So we'll add our business hours answering rule. What we want to happen here is we want to ring this extension in all of their phones. So if we wanted to add different people in the office, other extensions, we could add 200, 201, etc. And now we want to add our after hours rule. So we'll select after hours from the time frame. And in this case, we're going to forward it to another number. So in this box, we want an 11-digit number with no punctuation. So we're just going to use a random number here. Just like that. So now we have our three answering rules. The way answering rules work is they are in order. So when a call comes in, it's going to check this first answering rule. If it matches the time frame that this answering rule is assigned, it will execute this action. If it doesn't match, it'll go to the next rule, check this time frame, execute this one. If that doesn't match, etc. So what we want to do is this default rule, we're just always going to have it to the bottom. It's kind of a catch-all. And then we want our business hours rule to be checked first. So when a call comes in between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m., it's going to come here, it's going to check this rule, see that this rule applies because that's the time frame that we have, and it's going to ring these phones. If a call comes in at 5:01 p.m., it's going to come in, it's going to check this rule, see that it doesn't match, go down to this rule, and then forward out to your pager system or send it to voicemail if you want to do that. So we just click Save. And that's all there is to it. Right now it's 9:27 a.m., so it's business hours, and it reads active. When it's after hours, the active badge will move down to this rule. So that's how you set up a business hours schedule.